here are the fenders. Obviously it's just the factory fender. Obviously they come already kind of flared, as you can see there, but obviously we're gonna build that up. But here's the other fender, so we're gonna get these back on this baby. Guys, here is a rough mock-up of the flare onto the fender. We just kind of clamped it together to kind of give us that look. I like that. Obviously these wheels are, now with that it's like tucking, you know what I mean? But obviously the wheel that we're gonna get, it's gonna come out to fit the fender. But you can kind of get a look there of how it looks. But like as you look towards that line, you know, obviously that's still in over there. So that's kind of the look that we're going for, so that it kind of flows with car and how everything looks. So you get a good vision of that look, you know, that same flare. So we're gonna kind of mock everything up. We'll probably take the wheel off so we can, you know, see what we have to do and tack weld and start the body work. Go ahead and mark where we like it to go, just so it's a reference. If it moves, we can, you know, where it's gonna go. Because we're gonna have to take the clamps off in order to take the wheel off. So get that marked up, slide her off. All right, so we got the wheel off, and we can kind of see, you know, how much material we're gonna have to, you know, cut off from that, just so we have a bigger wheel opening. And then from there we can start grinding and getting it ready to weld on there. Here are the two pieces we cut out on both fenders. Done with that. I'm gonna continue welding on this side, getting everything to fit, hammer and dolly this closer, and throw some more weld points there. First thing you have to do is, once you get the shape of this close to where it needs to go, you need a hammer and dolly. Once it's ready to go, it'll be closer to where we need a weld. So let's get the weld. Now that we moved the clamp a little bit over, now we can continue to weld the rest. So this is this side fully welded already. You can see all the spots are on. Same with the inside, all the way around. So now from here, then we can start body work and kind of smoothing everything out. But there's a wide body there. All right, now we got the fender off. We're gonna go ahead and just grind everything smooth. We already did pretty much half of it. Get it all grinded down, and then we can start laying a little bit of body filler to kind of smooth everything out. Start blocking the fender and get it ready for some primer. So. So we got the fender for the Mustang in the booth. After body work, as you saw, body work and blocking everything out, got everything smooth. We finally got into primer. It's primered up. This is one of them. We got the other one to go. I'll show you the progress on that, but it's looking good. We had to block everything. Even though these fenders are new, you know, there's always little body work that we have to do. And especially now that we welded this on there, you know, we have to recreate the lines, make sure everything flows good. So that's done.
Bread.
All right, here's the other side of the fender. Obviously you can see we already did some blocking on it. Obviously found some dings and dents, took care of those with some body filler, smoothed out the wide body. We're gonna finish blocking everything out, smooth everything out, and then we'll shoot this into primer and we'll have that front end done. So getting some progress, baby.